हेलो फ्रेंड्स, टारगेट 90 प्लस के सीरीज़ में आज हम चैप्टर नंबर 7 देखेंगे, प्लांट ग्रोथ एंड मिनरल न्यूट्रिशन, जिसका वेटेज है 5 to 7 मार्क्स। 1 mark questions. Name the tissue that transport hormones with the plant body. It is phloem. Give full forms of IAA, IBA, NAA 2,4-D. So full forms are given here. IAA, indole 3 acetic acid, IBA, indole butyric acid, NAA, naphthalene acetic acid, and 2,4-D is dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. Name the phytohormones related with the given phenomenon. तो यहाँ पे आपको phenomenon दिया है, जैसे apical dominance, hormone है auxin, bolting of cabbage, gibberellin, artificial ripening of fruit, ethylene, act as anti-transparent by closing stomata, it is abscisic acid. Define photoperiodism. The influence of light on flowering is called photoperiodism. Name symbiotic nitrogen fixing bacteria, it is rhizobium. Name the specialized cells in cyanobacteria that help in nitrogen fixation, heterocyst. What is vernalization? It is a low temperature treatment that induces early flowering in the plant. What is Donan's equilibrium? It is based on assumption that negatively charged ions enter into the cell and fix on the inner side of cell membrane. This fixed anions causes movement of cations to balance and neutralize the effect. This is called Donan's equilibrium. Explain plasticity. It is the ability of plants to form different structures in response to environmental conditions, internal stimuli, and various phases of life. The leaves of plant in juvenile phase are different than the mature leaf of the same plant. So initially जब plants छोटे होते हैं तो उनके leaf shape अलग होते हैं, जैसे जैसे वो mature होते हैं उनका shape बदलते जाता है, and this is called heterophyly. Example, cotton and coriander. Differentiate between SDP and LDP. SDP represent short day plant, LDP for long day plant. They flower during winter and late summer. They flower during summer only. They require long dark period for flowering. They require short dark period. They are also called short night plants. They are also called short night plants. If dark period is interrupted by flash, they will not flower. If dark period is interrupted by flash, they will flower. Example, tobacco, soybean. Here example is radish and pea. Explain AGR and RGR with respect to plants. AGR is absolute growth rate. It is the ratio of change in the cell number over the time interval. It is the measurement and comparison of total growth per unit time. Formula is given here. AGR is equal to dN by dt. RGR, relative growth rate. When AGR divided by total number of cells present in the medium is called RGR. RGR is equal to AGR divided by N. Give applications of auxin. It causes cell enlargement and stimulates stem and root growth. It induces apical dominance. It promotes the growth of apical buds and inhibits lateral buds. It is used to produce callus. It is used to produce seedless fruits by parthenocarpy. It prevents premature fruit fall in apple, pears and oranges. Write a note on gibberellin. It is produced in root tip and developing seed. It was first obtained from Gibberella fusariae. The precursor for gibberellin is mevalonic acid. The applications are given. It breaks the dormancy of bud and seed. It promotes seed germination. It increases length of stem by elongation of internodes. It promotes bolting in the beetroot and cabbage. It increases the fruit size and increases length of grapes. It is used to overcome the requirement of vernalization. Write a note on cytokinin. It promotes cell division. The cytokinin obtained from coconut milk is kinetin and from maize is zeatin. Applications. It promotes cell division and enlargement. It delays senescence. It breaks dormancy and promotes the seed germination. It reverses apical dominance and promotes the growth of lateral buds. Write a note on gaseous hormone ethylene. It promotes ripening of fruits like bananas, apple and mangoes. It accelerates abscission in leaves, flowers and fruits. It causes apical dominance and inhibits lateral buds. It enhances senescence of plants. It inhibits flowering in most of the plant except pineapple. It causes drooping of leaves and flowers called epinasty. Write a note on abscisic acid or stress hormone. It is natural growth inhibiting hormone. It is synthesized in leaves, fruits, root and seeds. Application. It induces dormancy in buds and seeds by inhibiting the growth. It accelerates senescence of leaves, flowers and fruits. It causes influx of K plus ions from guard cells and closes the stomata. It prevents transpiration, therefore, it is also called stress hormone or antitranspirant. Give the conditions required for plant growth. Water, it is essential component to maintain turgidity of the cell. It also acts as medium for biochemical reactions. Nutrients, microelements and macroelements are required for proper growth of plant. Optimum temperature 25 to 30 degree favors the plant growth. Oxygen and carbon dioxide essential for respiration and food production. Light, it is essential for germination and photosynthesis. Gravitational force, it directs the growth of root and shoot. Explain the term differentiation, dedifferentiation and redifferentiation. Differentiation, it is the maturation of cells derived from the meristematic tissue. It involves permanent change in the structure and function of the cell called differentiation. These cells lost their capacity to divide and redivide. Example, parenchyma in hydrophytes. Dedifferentiation. The differentiated cell may regain the property of cell division as per need and become meristematic. Example, cork cambium. Redifferentiation. The dedifferentiated cells again lose the capacity to divide. They mature to perform specific function. Example, secondary xylem and phloem. Give symptoms of mineral deficiency in plants. Stunting, where the plant growth retards. Chlorosis, yellowing of leaves. Necrosis, the death of tissues. Molting, the green and non-green patches on the leaves. Abscission, premature fall of flowers and fruits. Thank you.